Two things really stand out at Puncak Niaga: innovation and investment. How important have these been to the company's growth, and what form have they taken?
Well, you can say under that circumstances, we had no choice. It was a situation where it was the first privatization for the water industry. Everyone was looking at us, both the public and the government. So we had to move fast. We had to get the right people, mixed of the outsiders, so to speak, versus the staff who are basically government-based, and towards changing of the right culture. And it was all about trying to create a bottom line situation, better service, and changing our mindset is never easy. At the same time, we had to look at technologies, and that includes R&D. We had investment in a huge plant, perhaps one of the biggest in Asia, in what we call Sungai Selangor Phase 2 water treatment plant, state of the art. So those are the things that we have done, and we keep on continuing doing it until today.
So innovation's been part of the company's culture since day one.
It is. There's still a lot more to do, but we would love to continue on and doing the best we can. It has to be innovations and a lot more investment to be made.
The company's growth has reflected the wider economic picture in the region. How is Puncak Niaga positioned to take advantage of Asia's growing strength?
Well, Asia, as we all know, largely is developing and underdeveloped. That means there are opportunities in as far as infrastructure is concerned, and the business we are in, that is water services, environmental related, and oil and gas. And what interests us most is, for now, is the region, the Southeast Asia region. Countries like Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, who we are closer with and share the same culture.
You've mentioned oil and gas. Puncak Niaga has made a bold move into the sector with two big acquisitions. What's the strategy here?
Well, oil and gas is a thriving business here in Malaysia. Coming from Puncak Niaga's perspective, we have the resources. We are in business for 16 years. We're engineering based. What we have in mind was to go in fairly big, substantial, immediate, and more important, as lasting as possibly can, the income stream. So we find that acquisition of these two companies fit into the bill of Puncak Niaga's strength and our objective of getting it early, get resources early, and hopefully a sustainable earnings.
Indeed, analysts have taken a very positive view on the impact on your earnings. Is that a view you'd share?
Yeah, I mean, it's like putting 1 plus 1, I mean, it's the oil and gas sector is one, which is thriving business here, not just in Malaysia, and Puncak, a player that doesn't buy and sell assets or companies. We have reputation from a long-term player, serious player, and why not? It fits nicely, the two.
So water and energy, are they a good fit in the same company? What's the synergy between the two?
Well, even though literally speaking, water and oil doesn't mix, but we find that it mixes very well. But more important is in my personal view, is the culture. In water business, we started as a client. We are the concessionaire. And the last couple of years, we've been a contractor, both locally and internationally. In oil and gas, the two acquisitions, basically we start off as a contractor. And of course, we are hoping that if we go into the line of production, which we hope to do in the not too distant future, we hope to be a client then. So the culture of both client and contractor would be able to, to understand better between the two sectors, and perhaps we can build up a very strong culture, the right culture of being those client and contractor. It's very important because two different set of animals.
So in conclusion, you see a big future for Puncak Niaga in energy?
Oh yes, definitely. We really look forward to that.